Slides are in there. Okay, gonna secure the seat with 2 screws.
How about we turn the entire?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Lights on the other side.
What do they mean with economic components? Like
Load factors like the price. Like
Is that on?
plastic
Yeah.
material price.
that'll make the price cheaper.
Yeah. Okay. So.
Amount of material used, basically.
Okay.
Okay, the seat is now secured in place.
Manufacturing process would be that.
Manufacturing process.
Also.
Okay,
Plus this like
next step would be
petroleum
Wheels.
used in
the
plastic.
wheels, yeah. Okay, so,
Manufacturing process produces waste.
okay, wait, hold on.
Yeah, well,
Take the wheel off.
it was put that.
Actually, okay, so we have the
Oh.
wheel cover and the retainer on there because we couldn't get it off. Okay, now that's going to, now we're going to put the wheel on. And this is the
Right wheel.
right wheel. Goes on a certain way. Okay. Okay, so right wheel is on. Now we're going to put on the bushing. That slides into there. And hold on, I missed that. Hold on.
Okay, that's the wheel driver.
Now that goes into there. Should slide right in. Okay. Axle's in place, wheel is in place. Now we can secure. Yeah, we'll just use that one.
Oh, economic impairment. That's enough.
Okay, that's on.
That's the right wheel assembly.
Now the right wheel is on. Now
Hand me the.
pushing.
How many components are used? How are we supposed to know that if we're supposed to guess at that?
Give me the.
Okay.
Oh, push the
Washer.
washer.
Which we should count them. Like, you've got this chart.
Oh, based on that, we can guess
Yeah, we can guess.
how many you think. Well, we'll do that.
Okay, washer goes in place, followed by a bushing. Okay, now the left wheel goes on. That's it.
I guess 60. No.
Okay, that's on. Where's the retainer?
50. 50, between 50 to 60.
Retainer. Locking retainer. Maybe. Oh wait, no, wait. First, the
On the wheel cover.
wheel cover.
Yeah.
Because in reality, it was 60 and something.
Okay, that goes on there.
It was 61.
Yeah, that's this kind of screws.
Now this gets put in place.
Oh! You want to count the screws of these two?
I don't know.
That can be just pushed on. It's a lot easier to get
I
on
don't
than it
think we
was
need to
to
put that.
take off. Let me just
Or I don't know.
make sure that's
How about we put
okay. That's on.
Here was the black piece.
This kind of thing
Have it.
screws there.
Pause it for a second.
Yeah. Okay.
It's on. That's on.
Okay.
Okay, so now the rear wheel assembly is in place.
Now we work on.
The front wheel assembly.
Alright, so
Okay.
there is
This first.
front wheel and its two front covers. It's two wheel covers. And on the other side as well. So
3 screws each.
How complex are e-vehicle components? The definition of
The definition of
Other side. Okay, there's a little knob. Goes into that little hole. Make sure it lines up.
Oh, we're doing this still on day one?
It's a scale puzzle complex.
Okay. Should we write that on the And then we also need to how complex are the components as well. Component introduction.
after that's done, you have to insert the front axle and the two wheel spacers. So
So that goes in there. Little spacer. Little spacer.
that
Hold on, let me just check.
it doesn't really.
It does matter.
I mean, the tracks really matter.
We'll click backwards.
Okay.
Okay, so it goes on like this.
Next side is like that, and you need the retainer,
Retainer.
the wheel retainer.
That is the wrong one. Okay, so.
Which one are you going to now?
I have no clue.
Okay,
Okay,
now
we
for
have
the other
to
side,
how many components are used.
same thing.
How complex are the individual components? So we'll put the complexity profile will be rated based in our scale.
Okay, now after this is done, you have the front fork and front wheel assembly.
To identify how complex the product is, we decided to create a scale comparing.
Okay,
And now the front wheel assembly is completed.
front wheel assembly.
It has to be inserted.
Very simple.
Just like that. Next is the handlebar and handlebar
Retainer.
And that we can
bracket thingy.
Yeah, we can make a table out of that.
Now, gotta make sure it goes on like that.